Mech is a powerful, general-purpose industrial robot. Brings physical AI to industrial and logistics applications. Industrial applications require an industrial machine. With 2 arms and a comprehensive reach that covers large work areas without repositioning its base, Mech achieves throughput rates that exceed current manufacturing standards for truck loading, palletizing, and more. Lifting heavy objects above shoulder height can lead to long-term physical injury. Mech's vertical reach safely extends beyond 8 feet, allowing for easy loading onto box trucks and multiple stacks of tall boxes at once. Seamlessly manage your inbound workflow with a single Mech. Whether it's unloading, palletizing, depalletizing, or loading, Mech's versatility enables tasks to be completed efficiently across multiple workstations in your facility. Seamlessly manage your inbound workflow from inbound to outbound with a fleet of Mechs. Whether it's unloading, palletizing, depalletizing, or loading, Mech's versatility enables tasks to be completed efficiently across multiple workstations in your facility. Built to last with Kawasaki and Hiwin arms. Switches between tasks and workstations. Works standalone or with the cloud. Made in America. Designed and assembled in California. Mech is purpose-built to perform with superhuman performance in human workspaces. It reaches a 2-armed 5.4 m arm span and can lift 60 kilograms. The unique patented shoulder and second elbow provide extreme dexterity. Mech features industry-first AI-powered tactile and pressure sensing. Combined with ultra-low latency, 4 kHz, torque control in the arms, it enables human-level dexterous manipulation for industrial applications. It is uniquely brilliant at gently picking up and placing boxes, packages and bags, and can fit them tightly into seemingly impossible cracks. The Mech's rover base moves on all 4 wheels, swerves, rolls, and climbs ramps. The ultra-compact rover houses dual vacuum pumps, a supercomputer, a battery pack, up to 16 cameras, and the world's most advanced sensor and security suite.